Select the lesser of the two given numbers, 6 and the negative or opposite of the absolute value of -8. To determine the lesser of the two given numbers, let's first figure out what the negative of the absolute value of -8 is equal to. The absolute value of any number is the distance of that number from 0 on the number line. So the absolute value of -8 is 8, and therefore the negative of the absolute value of -8 is -8. So now we're comparing 6 and -8. 6 is to the right of -8 on a number line, and therefore 6 is greater than -8 on the number line. So the lesser of the two given numbers is negative absolute value of -8.